Points of Voo. This week, the EDP website was awash with heated debate. The hot topic? No, not the local elections, but a letter from Derryneen Mosley of Lowestoft, championing the cause of the resplendent seagull, which many Norfolk residents feel have become unruly. A poll suggested the majority of Norfolk would welcome introducing fines of up to £80 for people feeding seagulls, which Derryneen strongly disagreed with, as did Paul Groves.
What a beautiful letter. I, for one, will continue to feed the seagulls and take a chance on the fine.
Alas, Derryneen and Paul may be in the minority. The touchy subject seems to have ruffled a few feathers.
I can tell you don't live/work on their breeding grounds. They're surviving very nicely through the force of feeding from the masses of rubbish stupidly left about for them to sort through. If they are seagulls, what are they doing all over the country miles from the sea? This "you always get seagulls at the seaside" does not wash with me. They're being encouraged to survive unnaturally by people, and a lot should be culled. I saw one eating a rat in the graveyard. Honestly thought I were a bit of red carrier bag at first. Try not to be sick-faced.
But some felt the debate fell at the first hurdle.
You take blood as a seagull?